Hello everyone, we will discuss today arithmetic progression. So there are three things: sequence, series and progression. So the sequence is a series of number, or like sequence is a set of numbers in which a logic is followed, like the set of prime numbers. Or like this. So here it is a logic which are followed in the sequence, like 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8. That is called sequence. And when we write down the numbers in addition format of a sequence, that will become series, not sum of elements, just write down in the form of addition like this. So it will become series. And what is progression? The progression is a set of numbers which are followed by a mathematical formula, or like we can find out the nth term in a progression, just 2 5 8 11 14 dot dot dot, or we can say that 1 3 9 27 dot dot dot. So in progression there is a mathematical formula which are followed, like 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11. So in all the terms the common difference is 3, and here in this series 1 into 3 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So in each term 3 is multiplied to get the next term. So the common difference, the main difference in between sequence and progression is we can find out the nth term in progression, but we cannot find out the nth term in a sequence, because here just a mathematical logic is using, and in progression a mathematical formula like the common difference is using and the common multiplication is using. So the difference in sequence and progression is that. So we will here discuss about progression. So what is the progression? The progression of three types, like AP means arithmetic progression, GP geometric progression, and HP harmonic progression. So here we will discuss only about AP, arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? So in arithmetic progression, arithmetic progression is a set of numbers in which the term is obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding term. So like 5 is obtained by adding 3 in a 2, and 8 is obtained by adding 3 in 5. So the common difference is same, like we are adding a fixed number in the preceding term to get a next term. So here there are some terms, like in this progression the first term is 2, that is denoted by A, that is first term. And the common difference, like 5 minus 2 is 3, that will be denoted, 8 minus 5 is also 3, that will be denoted by D. And the progression will go on to the nth term. So nth term can be anything, like 8th, 9th, the progression can go on till nth term. And in this progression we can find out the nth term. So how we will find out the nth term? Like in this progression we are seeing that first term is A, then how we will get second term? By adding the common difference. And how we will add third term? By adding a common difference in second term, means A plus 2D, and then A plus 3D, like this. So the arithmetic progression will go on like this. So we can write down in this way. So the second term is a plus 2 minus 1 into t. The third term is a plus 3 minus 1 into t, and the fourth term is a plus 4 minus 1 into t. So in this way easily we can find out the nth term. So what will be the nth term? The a plus n minus 1 into t. Like the fourth term is a plus 4 minus 1 into t. Third term is a plus 3 minus 1 into t. In this way, in the same way, the nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into t. So this is the nth term, and it is denoted by like this. So in this way we can calculate nth term, any nth term. Like in this series, if we want to calculate the 11th term, so we will put down 11 in the place of n. A will be 2 and d will be 3, means common difference, and we can easily find out the 11th term. Like if we find out the 11th term, so what will be the a? 2, n means 11, d, what is d? D means second term minus first term means 3, so d will be 3. 2 plus 10 into 3, 2 plus 30, 32. So what will be the 11th term? The 11th term of this series will be 32. So in this way we can find out the 11th term. And if we want to calculate the sum of first n terms in arithmetic progression, so how we will calculate the sum of first n terms? So there is also a formula to find out the sum of first n terms. Like in this series in this way, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term. And if we find out the sum of first n term, so what will be the sum? A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, plus a plus n minus 1 into d. We can also write in opposite way, like a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into t. Dot, 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 dot. The last term will be a. Like we will write down again the first equation in the opposite direction. The last term we will write first, and then the first term we will write down in the last. And if we add both the progression, like both the equation, so 2s will be, if we add the first term into first term in the first term of this series and the first term of this progression, so what will be the 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And if we add this term and this term, so what will be the sum? 2a plus n minus 1 and minus 2d, here minus 2d and here plus d. So what will be the sum? Minus d, like n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum in this way, and the last term will be 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here in we are seeing that all the terms 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n times, like how many terms are there? There are total n terms. So n times that the same term will be added. So we can write down n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because the same term is added n times. So we can write down in this way, and s will be n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the sum of first n terms, or we can say that sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. So here it is a formula, and how we will get the formula? This is the method. So this is the formula of sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. Let us take one example. if we find out the sum of a series like this, 8, 3, minus 2, dot dot dot, and if we find out the sum of first 22 terms, means S22, so what will be the sum of first 22 terms? So in this series, A is 8, common difference D is 3 minus 8 minus 5, and N is 22, because we want to calculate the sum of 22 terms. So N will be the 22. And what will be the what is the formula? N minus 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. The sum of 22 terms will be 22 upon 2, 2 into A. What is the A? 8 plus N minus 1 means 22 minus 1. What is the D? Minus 5 into minus 5. So 22 upon 2, 11 into 2 into 8, 16 plus 22 minus 1, 11, and 11 into 5, minus 55. So 11, 16 minus 55. So 11 into 16 minus 55, what will be the? Minus 39. And 11 into 39 minus 429. So the sum of first 22 terms of this series is minus 429. In this way, we can calculate the sum of n terms, and we can also find out the nth term of arithmetic progression by two formulas, A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the arithmetic progression. Thank you.